Welcome back to Tech Tutors. For clean and responsive UI in your React app, Material UI is an excellent choice. In this video, I'll walk you through the different types of components MUI offers, how to install it, and how you can use them to create professional web applications. Let's get started. Material UI is a flexible React UI framework that follows Google's material design principles, making it perfect for building responsive and visually consistent interfaces. It's highly customizable, allowing developers to adjust styles and create custom themes, making it a popular choice for professional projects. Material UI is ideal for enterprise applications like dashboards and admin panels. It's also great for e-commerce websites with intuitive product pages and smooth checkouts. Whether you're building SaaS platforms, educational sites, or blogs needing a cohesive design and easy navigation, Material UI is a top choice for professional, scalable React applications. Before we jump into the components, let's go over how to install Material UI in your project. First, if you haven't already created a React project, you'll need to do that. Once your React project is set up, install Material UI. If you also want to use Material UI icons, which is optional but often useful, install the icons package as well. After completing these steps, you're ready to start using Material UI in your project. Before we dive into specifics, let's define what a component is in Material UI. A component is a reusable building block that helps create functional, responsive, and consistent elements in your application. They handle various functions such as input, data display, and navigation, making development more efficient while providing a unified user experience. Now, let's see about the input components, which are essential for capturing and handling user input. These components include autocomplete for searchable list, button and button group for initiating actions, checkbox and radio group for selecting options, as well as slider, switch, and text field for value entry. Other components like floating action button, toggle button, rating, select, and transfer list enhance user interaction and form functionality. Moving on to data display components, these help present information in a clear and organized way. You'll find avatar for profile images, badge for notifications, chip for tags, divider for visual breaks, and icons for intuitive symbols. Other elements like list, table, tooltip, and typography are great for organizing and displaying content effectively. Next up are navigation components, which guide users through your app. These include bottom navigation for mobile screens, breadcrumbs for showing hierarchy, drawer and menu for navigation, tabs for switching views, pagination for multi-page content, stepper for multi-step process, and speed dial for quick actions. Feedback components provide real-time responses, like alert for messages, dialogue for user interactions, progress indicators for loading, skeleton for content placeholders, and snack bar for small notifications. When it comes to organizing content, surface components like accordion, app bar, card, and paper help structure and group your content in a visually appealing way. For laying out your application, layout components like box, container, stack, and image list help create responsive and flexible layouts that adapt to various screen sizes. Lastly, utility components add additional functionality and improve your app's behavior. Clickaway Listener helps close modals, modal and popover handle overlays, transitions provide animations, and Use Media Query ensures responsive design. Other utilities like Portal, Popper, No SSR, and Text Area Autosize enhance the performance and behavior of your application. Thanks for watching. In upcoming videos, I'll cover each tool in depth, focusing on different component types. Stay tuned and subscribe to Tech Tutors.